What's up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look what database migrations are in Python. So this is software engineering concepts playlist in Python, and database migration actually provide version control for database schemas, tracking structural changes as sequential reversible steps, and this allows teams to collaboratively modify database structures without conflicts, without maintaining cross-environment consistency. Python frameworks include tools that automate migration creation and application tracking schema changes alongside the code. So that's what it is. So here's how Django handles migrations. So Django's migration system is create and modify models which define database structure in Python models, and then also generate migrations where Python run Python and then manage.py make migrations to create migration files. So you can apply the changes by executing Python manage.py migrate to update database. So migrations are actually stored in app directories and tracked in source control, ensuring consistency across environments. Django supports rollbacks to revert to previous database states when needed. Thank you for watching this video. If you do not understand any part of this, how Django handles migrations, do well to post in the comment section and we'll get at it shortly.